Matt Dawson, 49, admitted that Hess got it to leave a question of sport after 18 years on the panel. The former rugby union star, along with co-stars Sue Barker and Phil Tufnell, all announced they would be stepping down from their roles, leaving the BBC programme to line up a whole new panel of presenters. But it's clear they will be sorely missed, as the original trio were given an incredible send-off as they appeared at a live version of the quiz show in Birmingham. Matt told the audience, "So that is that. Sue, Matt and Phil Tufnell are no more. We're gutted but themes the breaks. It was emotional but fun to the very last question." He added, "In true question of sports style we laughed to the very end. Thanks to all the guests, the production staff and of course the viewers. 18 years on, I couldn't have dreamt of treading such an incredible path. How are we not doing more?" Their replacements were announced pretty sharpish, with Paddy McGuinness taking over as host, alongside Olympian Sam Kleck and Strictly Come Dancing star Ugo Monye as team captains. But their appointment to the panel might take some getting used to, after their predecessor's lengthy stint. It comes after back in October, former Top Gear star Jeremy Clarkson appeared to take a sly swipe at Paddy, wondering, "What on earth has happened to Question of Sport? I only watched it for 10 minutes and I have a terrible headache. Why can't they all calm down?" Despite not taking aim at anyone in particular, instead of taking offense, the comedian took the opportunity to stir the pot. He replied, "The same thing that's happened to Top Gear JC. New personnel, bigger ratings. Love you," he added cheekily alongside a kissing emoji. Since Jeremy and his co-stars Richard Hammond and James May departed the BBC motoring show back in 2015, there has been suggestions of animosity between Jezza and whoever was presenting the show at the time. Many, including Jeremy, have boycotted the series since he was fired, following a violent altercation with a member of staff over a hot meal. After Chris Evans and Matt LeBlanc stood down from their roles, it was announced in 2018 that Paddy, Chris Harris and Freddie Flintoff would be the new hosts of the car program. A Question of Sport has also suffered in the ratings since Sue, Phil and Matt were purged from the series. But it seemed viewers of both programs were rallied against Paddy. Coco Jaffe responded, "No disrespect pal, but no one believes Top Gear is any better under your boys compared to Clarkson and co. Miles off in fact." Rob Taylor admitted, "Sorry to say this, but seriously the new Top Gear and Question of Sport are just pants." Big Kane 77 blasted, "Top Gear has never been the same since the Clarkson, Hammond and May days. I've noticed several times that the new show has just repeated features from old shows but with newer vehicles obviously. As for goes, I can't watch it anymore. Got to agree with Clarkson on that one," while Rob Milsma reasoned, "Brutal. But fair. The old guard of Top Gear was like bad Pando in the end. I actually look forward to it again now. The Grand Tour as well. But Clarkson's farm is however of the best things I've seen in years. Love you both though."